Just started. Look, y'all. A hot mess. It's a hot mess, y'all. Wants to sit here with the fireplace. A hot mess. On a rainy night in Georgia. And she wants to sit here. The fireplace going. At home. Sweet home. Now I'm going to give y'all a tune. A rainy night in Georgia. Baby, it's a rainy, 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 rainy night here in Georgia. Lord, I think it's raining all over this world. Got my brown little suitcase. Pack my things today. Leaving this woman right here. Going on my way. It's a rainy night in Georgia. Baby, it's a rainy, 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 rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I think it's raining all over this world. She thinks she got it made. Let's sit around here with a goddamn fireplace with the TV going, brewing. Just laid back. They laid back like that. Well, I gotta admit,
we don't sit around, we get somewhere.
It's nice. This is a nice home. I found it. She said she found it.
I found it.
That's bull. That's bull. You finish the rest of it. That is bull. I'm gonna conclude by saying, rainy night in Georgia.
Lord, ain't you?
Here comes Dominique. Peekaboo. I saw you. That's a ghost in this house. Look at that, a black ghost.
Oh, Dominique.
Oh, it's a ghost in this house.
Yeah. You gotta remind me to go to at home. I know tomorrow. I'm not finna do all that today.
Look at that black ghost, y'all. Black ghost. Bye.